Now come on.
Whoa!
Oh, well,
Good.
we can do better than that.
Oh, Daddy.
Hey! Hey! Come on! Whoa!
Oh.
I'm losing my nerve.
It's alright. You don't have to walk if you don't want to. Nobody's taking your picture. Who's that puppy dog? Where's the puppy dog? Huh? Where's the puppy dog? Are they
Walk
out
to
there?
Nana.
Where's the puppy dog? Go see the puppy dog. Come on.
Come see Nana.
Come on, let's go
Walk
see
to
him.
Nana. Come
Come
here.
on.
Come here.
Come on, let's go see the puppy dog.
Come here, Kirsten. Want to see the puppy dogs?
Statue of Liberty.
Come on. That's good. Come on.
Oh, what's he doing? What's he doing?
I'm not doing anything.
Come on. Come to Nana. Good girl.
Whoa! That was good. She stood up for a long time.
That's good. You did good. She doesn't know anything about taking pictures, does she?
Yeah, well, I think she knows when the camera comes out.
Her door slamming. Okay, Miss Daddy. You coming today?
You hear the puppy dogs? Hmm? You want me to take your picture standing up?
She's doing pretty good standing up.
You want me to take your picture? You stay right there. Don't move. Pose for me. Wait till the flash
Smile
comes
at
on.
Daddy. Wait now. Look at Daddy.
That's what it is. Her little legs get tired. Now, y'all let her rest.
Ready? Smile.
I'm helping her.
Yeah.
Look, she's leaning on me.
Real.
Look at her leaning on me.
What are you doing? You're not really standing up. You're
No,
cheating.
she's sitting on my hand.
You're cheating.